My name is
Lhamo Tso. My husband's name is Dhondup Wangchen. For more than 5 years, we were waiting. His friends, his parents, children, and I myself have been waiting for his release. We are now in the final year of his imprisonment. But in the hearts of my family members, there's great anxiety. The reason for our fear is the situation of the many prisoners released this year. We're hearing that many of them are not only in bad physical condition, but seriously ill. That's why there's great fear and uncertainty in our hearts. I therefore appeal to you. Please support us that he is released in good health and that we are reunited in this free land where I live now.